mind my hands. I need to put some lotion on. I just got done. Okay, so on to the fun stuff. This I got, obviously, your candles. This scent is Don't Mind My Hands. I need to put some lotion on. I just got done washing them several times. Laundry Day, I got the candle version of this. It is amazing, like super clean. So I definitely cannot wait to use this. I'll probably only use it on Sundays because Sundays are usually my cleaning days. And then probably throughout the week, if I'm not burning a candle, I'll change the wallflower out to something different. Okay, this is definitely a favorite. So good. It gives you like a woody scent. So let's read. The notes are toasted marshmallow, which you definitely smell. The smoldering woods, definitely smell that. Fire roasted vanilla, smell that. Crystallized amber with natural essential oils. Amazing. Like, you gotta get this. There was a scent that I was smelling the minute that I opened up the box, and it was definitely Laundry Day. Fresh Air Crisp Eucalyptus Soft Lavender with natural essential oil. It's clean, but it gives it like a bite with the eucalyptus. I have Summer Boardwalk. I got this thinking that it was the scent. Have you guys ever been to a Sheraton hotel and like they have like this signature scent that their lobby and rooms smell like? I thought that was the signature scent, but it's definitely not. This is caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, salty sweet cream with natural essential oils. You definitely smell the caramelized popcorn in this. I probably am going to take it back just because it's a little too sweet for me. I don't really like super sweet scents like this. Warm Ocean Breeze. This is giving me like a bar bath soap meets men's cologne. Let's see what the notes are. Ocean sandalwood. Okay, that makes sense. Warm sage, eucalyptus zest. That's what's giving it the bar soaps scent. Coconut with natural essential oils. It's like a clean, light men's cologne scent. Hibiscus waterfalls. This might be a new favorite. This is giving clean men's bar soap. It's like I can't think of what bar soap it reminds me of, but it's definitely a men's soap vibe that this gives. It is tropical hibiscus, sweet peach nectar, fresh waterfall mist with natural essential oils. This, baby, you pick her up, okay? Pick her up. You know what it also reminds me? Oh, I think I know exactly what it reminds me of. It reminds me definitely of bar soap. But have you guys ever smelled like the Chi spray? I think that you use after you finish straightening your hair. That's what this smells like to me. It smells like the Chi hairspray. Sweater weather. It is fresh sage, Jupiter berry, aromatic eucalyptus, fresh wood with natural essential oils. It reminds me of fall. It just smells like wintertime to me. It smells like daylight savings winter, ready for snow, ready for holidays when I only work 4 days a week. That's what this gives. Okay, I don't know who packed this, but are you guys understanding that there's no top? The Ghetto. Rosewater ivory and also fresh, let me just do that. Fresh rainfall. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I don't know why it's dirty. I don't know why the Ghetto just came to Bath and Body Works during my order and was like, we're just gonna hit you with some dirty and top missing candles. But baby's going back because baby's dirty, and why would I want to pay for something dirty? That's not right.